BCom graduate from Nisha Vyas University, Jaipur, and currently I am pursuing Masters in Business Administration from IPS Business School, Jaipur. My exposure as an MBA student has developed my potential in many ways: pressure handling skills, leadership skills, and emotionally quotient. And apart from this, I am undergoing a training of data analytics, digital marketing, and MS Excel. My flexible approach and commitment to work while executing assignments have made me successful in whatever I did in past and whatever I'm doing now. And as a result of my commitment, I became city topper in 12th and house captain during my schooling. And from entertainment and fitness front, exercise, badminton, movie and music feature my daily routine quite frequently. And my virtual internship with Brandtech and Analytics Private Limited Mumbai has given me the practical understanding of marketing research, people management skills, being patient and diversification. And I strongly believe that attitude and patience are the two golden assets for any individual growth. And with this thought, I'm looking forward to grow myself personally and professionally in accordance to the ever-changing requirement of the industry, and thereby ensuring that I always prove to be an asset for the organization I am associated with and contributing towards the realization of organizational goal. Thank you.